Long-lasting, wear for up to 7 days. Intricate jeweled nail art in an instant, no pricey salon visits. Kit contains 3 nails including 12 accent nails, pink gel glue 2 grams, 0.7 ounces, manicure stick, mini file. 1 pack. The creation of Kiss DIY artificial nails, followed by ready-to-wear glue on nails, including a chip-free French mani, elevated the Kiss success story. But by far, the company's shining star, the press-on nail, literally revolutionized the beauty industry. Women could get a perfect-looking mani, in minutes, with reliably long-lasting results. From false nails to falsies thanks to groundbreaking innovations. Most recently, Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner Lashes and GLUEliner, Lash Glue and Eyeliner in one, are true game-changers, with a fast-growing, loyal fanbase. Top reviews from the United States. They are beautiful. These are my go-to nails when I want to make a sparkly impression. I love the durability of the ones with the sparkles, but the painted ones are not as strong. They typically last me a good 2 weeks if I am careful and do my application correctly. Remember, proper nail prep is important.